Clark W. Griswold land speed record.
Okay, you got it?
Oh.
Okay.
Hang on.
Oh, wait,
Move your feet in a little bit. Yeah, I can put them in that little thing. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Go! Oh no. This isn't gonna work.
Come on, dude. Crash. Bowling pin.
Oh goodness. That was a good one. Oh.
What do you think?
That was good.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Alright.
It was before you guys got here. You missed the show.
Oh, down he goes.
Got a butt full of snow.
Alright, ready?
Come on. Oh no, first hitting a grass. Oh, come on, man. Keep on going.
Dang.
Keep on going.
That was pretty far.
Yeah, we better.
Epic fail.
No, I'm scared.
Oh man. Come on, send it. Not going even nearly fast enough.
I think I should run no one too. I think I missed it.
There's a pile of doo-doo right there, don't stand there. Alright.
We should come back here at like midnight when it's all frozen up.
That was pretty fun. The heck of a hill. Alright. I'm trying to Clark W. Griswold it. What does he say? I can't remember.
Now do it again, do it again! Oh my god! Alright, come on! Hands. Hands.
What is he doing? He did a 360.
Alright, you ready?
Best video person ever. Yes.
Did you steer, Eric, or did you put your hands down when you took her?
I steered my hands.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. My arm's gonna get tired, so let's go.
Was fast and fast with me, you'll never catch me.
Oh no. Okay. Is it on?
Send it. Uh-oh, he's gonna go in the trees.